Good afternoon, children. Today we will start our work in a plain drawing book. For today's work, you have to take a plain drawing book. With that, you have to take your drawing textbook, the Art Education series. Then you have to take a pencil, eraser, scale, and a sketch pen. You have to take all these things and open a new page in your plain drawing book and draw a borderline and keep ready for today's work, children. In your textbook, you have to open page number 6. Children, here they given the topic that understanding art. In that, under they given the subtopic that is the elements of art. These elements of art you learned all these days like straight lines, curved lines, zigzag lines, wavy lines. This and all you learned already. And the shape also you know how to do. And the texture work you learn. And colors. You know the colors, how to contrast the color, how to do the dark and light tone, everything you know that. Yes, no children, that and all we will call as the elements of art. Related to that elements of art, they given one work here. You have to see that this is the work of elements of art. Okay, children. Related to that, in a page number 8, they given one cityscape. Okay, this work you have to do here in a page number 8, whatever the space they given. But we are not doing that work in this space. We are doing that work in a plain drawing book. To do that, what you have to do, you have to use a pencil and scale and you have to draw a cityscape like this. Okay, children, I will show how you have to do. Just you have to observe that and you have to start to do the work, children. Okay. After the border in the plain drawing book, what you have to do, you have to write down today's date here, children. Write down the date. Then you have to write down the topic elements of art. Elements of art. You have to write down the topic elements of art. Next, you have to take a pencil and a scale and whatever thing I will tell now, you have to do like that. Okay, children. I will do with the sketch pen, but you have to do with the pencil. Then you have to start to do with the sketch pen. Okay, children. Now see, children, from here, from down to here, you have to leave 10 centimeter. From down to here, you have to leave 10 centimeter. Put here one dot near the 10 centimeter. Next, from there, that dot to next, you have to leave 6 centimeter and put a dot. Otherwise, you can draw one line like this. Next, once again, you have to start from the down. Down to here up, you have to leave 14 centimeter. 14 centimeter, draw a one straight line. Okay, children. Then from here, from this line to here, you should leave a 4 centimeter and draw one straight sleeping line like this. Again, follow the straight line here. Next, from down to here, you have to leave 8 centimeter. Up to here, 8 centimeter you should leave. From there to here, should leave a 6 centimeter. Okay. Then, from down to here, you have to leave 16 centimeter. Put a dot. This is 16 centimeter. From here to here, you should leave. After that, once again from down to here, you should leave a 10 centimeter. Put a dot here. In a sleeping way, you should leave a 5 centimeter. Next, down to up, you should leave a 13 centimeter. Remaining, how much space you have? That much space you have to draw one sleeping line. Before that, you can draw this one border with the black color. Okay, children, trace the border with the black color sketch pen. Children, coming classes we are using a paint, so I will tell which type of paint you have to take. That type of paint and brush you have to take and keep ready for coming classes. Okay, children. Next, after this over, you have to take a coin or any circle like this small circle space things you have missed. You have to take that one and draw a one circle here. like this. You should draw a circle. Next, inside this you have to draw lines. How you should draw lines? See children, from here to here you should leave a 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, then 1.5 centimeter you should leave. Next, draw here line, sleeping line like this children. Next, you can draw your lines like a mosaic work. All of you know how to do the mosaic work, is no children? Like that you should draw. Like this you should do. If you want, you can use the scale. Otherwise, without scale also you can do children. Just observe the work children. Once when I will complete the drawing now, that time you have to see that. According to that you have to start to do the work children. It is very easy work I am giving here. After once you finish the drawing and black outline, what you have to do, you have to take a color sketch pens, whatever sketch pen I will tell you children. You have to take a brown, yellow, green, dark and light green, dark and light blue, orange and pink color. Okay, in someone's they have a like this light pink color sketch pen. In someone's cover they have like this dark pink color sketch pen. Anyone you can take, either you can take both. Okay children. Then here I will show only in one part of thing. I will show the color. Remaining I will write down the color name. You have to see that and you have to do. Okay children. How you have to do the color? See children, for the sun I will do. For the sun what I will do? You know how to do the color, is no children? You know how to use the scale to do the color, that also you know. Without scale, how to use the small shading work, that also you know. For the sun, I am using here two colors. One is yellow and one is orange. Here I did orange color. Now I am doing yellow color. Only for the sun I am using two colors. Remaining all in each part one color you have to fill. Like this you should do the sun. Okay children. Next here, see here, I will use a light blue and a dark blue color. If you are using like this straight line means for whole work you have to complete like this only children. Then only it will look neat. Then in the second part we are using a light blue color. Don't leave white patches in the center. Cover it neatly like this. Children, like neatly like this you should do the color. Okay, I will show only this small part. Remaining I write down the color names. You have to see that color names. According to that you have to do the color. Okay children. Then after this over, here you should do the pink and orange. Next you have to do here light blue. Next here dark blue. Next here brown. Then dark blue. Here pink. And here you should do brown. Okay children, once you finish this one, you should come to here. Do this one brown, dark blue, light blue, then orange, dark green, light green. Next here you should do the light green. After that do orange here, dark blue, light blue. Again do here brown, light green, dark green. Next here you should do the orange. Then here you should do the light blue. Come to here, light blue, pink, then light green, then yellow, pink, dark blue. Next light blue, dark blue, dark blue. Come here, do here dark blue, light blue, orange, pink, again light blue, light green, and here orange. Again do here dark green, orange, light blue, pink, dark blue. Next here you should do the orange. Come to here, pink, orange, dark blue, light blue, then here brown, next orange, and here you should do the dark green color. Okay children, this part will be the sketch pen. After once you finish that sketch pen work, what you have to do? You have to take a color pencil. All of you have a color pencil. For that reason I did not show in the beginning. Okay, you have to take a color pencil. In that you have to take a black color pencil. Then you should start to do the coloring work. No one is using sketch pen or crayon. You have to use the color pencil only children. Black color you have to use. All of you know how to do the small shading work. Like that only you have to do children. Okay. See here. Whatever the background space will be there now, that one you have to do with the black color pencil. This is black pencil. Okay children, black color pencil you have to use. Now once again you have to see here the color names will be there now. You have to see that color names. According to that you have to do the color children. Okay. If you are using the straight line means the whole picture you have to complete with the straight line only. Okay children. If you are using sleeping way means you can complete whole picture with the sleeping way. You have to observe that. According to that you have to do. And one more thing children, while doing the work, if you have any doubt, you can call me at any time and clarify your doubt children. Okay. Thank you.